These three things might be what's preventing your sales strategy from getting you the results that you're looking for. This first one, it might surprise you. And the first one is you might not actually have a sales strategy at all. You may have a bigger picture vision for the organization or a bigger picture growth plan, but you don't have a sales specific plan with sales goals, sales activities, and accountabilities that will help you realize your growth or your vision. The second thing that might be holding up your sales strategy is lack of structure, lack of ownership, and lack of visibility across the organization. Without the right ownership and without the right structure for your plan and keeping it visible within the organization, it's really easy for that plan to get put aside, to get deprioritized, and then you're not reaching the goals that you're looking to accomplish. The last thing that might be impacting your sales strategy is lack of accountability. Accountability will sink any strategic plan, but very specifically a sales plan. Without accountabilities at every level of that plan, from the highest level owner all the way to an individual contributor, you will continue to be challenged to reach your goals. So if you're not getting where you want to go with your current sales strategy, look at those areas, assess yourself so that you can take some next steps to get that strategy more active, more visible, more accountable, and getting the results that you're looking for.